Hello student. In the last class I had done up to question number 11 of exercise 10.3. Today I will start the solution from question number 12. Your question number 12 is if a bar dot a bar is equal to 0 and a bar dot b bar equal to 0, then what can be concluded about the vector b bar? So in this case, here you see the dot product of the same vector a and a is equal to 0, it's given. And also the dot product of the two vector a bar and b bar is also given as 0. So question is, what can you say about the vector b bar? You see, since a bar dot a bar is equal to 0, from here we can write down like this. A bar dot a bar means what? Modulus of a bar whole square or a bar square, which can be written as modulus of a bar whole square, or modulus 0 means, what does it mean? Modulus of a square 0 means modulus of a 0, and modulus of a 0 means what? A bar represent 0 vector. So we have seen here that a bar dot a bar gives you a bar is equal to 0. That means a bar is a 0 vector. Now you see, as a bar is a 0 vector, now when you do the product of a bar with any number, that means product of 0 with any number, so obviously it will be 0. So what is the conclusion about b bar you can give? That b bar can be any vector. This is the solution. Here I have written like this, as a bar is equal to 0, comma, a bar dot b bar is equal to 0 for any vector b bar. Hope you understand why. তোমালোকে এটা মন কৰা যেতিয়া a bar dot a bar 0 বুলি কৈছে, তাৰ পৰা আমি কম পালো যে মডুলাস অফ a bar স্কয়ার টু 0 হ'ব, হয়নে? আৰু মডুলাস অফ a bar যদি স্কয়ার 0 হয় তেনেহলে মডুলাস টু 0 হ'ব। আৰু মডুলাস 0 মানে কি? ম্যাগনিটিউড অফ এ ভেক্টৰ 0 হলে কি হ'ব? ভেক্টৰ টু 0 ভেক্টৰ হ'ব। সেইকাৰণে মই লিখিলো a bar টু 0 ভেক্টৰ। আৰু a bar টু যদি 0 ভেক্টৰ হয়, আমি জানো যে 0 ৰ লগত যদি তুমি যিকোনো এটা নাম্বাৰ মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰা, তেতিয়াতো তোমালোকৰ সদায় 0 হ'ব। গতিকে a টু 0 হ'বৰ কাৰণে b bar can be any vector. Hope you understand it. Now let us go to question number 13. If a bar, b bar, c bar are unit vectors such that a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0 bar, find the value of a bar dot b bar, b bar dot c bar and c bar dot a bar. So here you see, you have to get the value of the dot product of a dot b, b dot c and c dot a, their sum. And it is given that a, b, c are unit vector. Also one condition is given that the sum of the vectors equal to 0 vector. Sum of the vector, but their magnitude is equal to 1. All the vectors separately magnitude 1. Okay, so here what we are going to do, first I have written here, since a bar, b bar, c bar are unit vectors, therefore what will have? Magnitude of a, magnitude of b and magnitude of c is equal to 1. Now you see, to get this result, I have to introduce what? Dot product. Dot product we can introduce if and this condition is given. So if I square it, then using the formula of a plus b plus c whole square, we can obtain it. That's why what I am going to do, I have just considered a given vector, that is what? A bar plus b bar equal, plus c bar equal to 0 bar, and we have square it. Because we know when you square it, we know the formula of square expression of 3 terms. So if you do the square of the 3 terms, then sum of the square of 3 terms, then we know the formula, that is what? First term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 times of first dot second, first dot second, second dot third, or first dot third. That means আমি formula to মনত আছে সাগে, a plus b plus c whole square formula কি হয়? A square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab লিখিব নোৱাৰা, সেইকাৰণে ইয়াতে a bar dot b bar থাকিব, twice ab, twice bc, twice ca. So ইয়াতে ab, bc, ca এর ঠাইত ভেক্টৰ হোৱাৰ কাৰণে তুমি ডট কিটা দি দিলা, সেইকাৰণে এটো পাই গলো। এতিয়া আমি ইয়াৰে a bar square can be written as modulus of a bar square. We know the property, কাৰণ a square is equal to a bar square or is equal to modulus of a bar square, একেই কথা হয়। ঠিক তেনেকৈ মই ইয়াতে b bar square can be written as magnitude of b bar whole square. Similarly, c bar square is equal to modulus of c bar whole square, and I just written like this. And we convert in terms of modulus because we know the values of the magnitude a, b and c. That is 1 unit vector. হয় নে নহয়? সেইকাৰণে convert কৰি ললো। লৈ just substitute the values. 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, again c, magnitude of c is 1, so 1 square is 1. 2 into এখিনি থাকি গল। এটা মই এখিনি উলিয়াব লাগে, সেইকাৰণে এই টাৰ্মটো লেফটত ৰাখিলো, বাকিখিনি ৰাইটত লৈ গলো। It become -3. তাৰপিছত 2 দি ডিভাইড কৰি দিলো। So we have got the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to what? -3/2. Hope you understand the solution. এটো কিন্তু তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে এটা দৰকাৰী প্ৰশ্ন। So তোমালোকে মন কৰিবা, যেতিয়াই তোমালোকক এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ টাৰ্ম লগা হ'ব, তুমি স্কয়াৰ কৰি দিবা। স্কুৱেৰ কৰি দিলে আমি ডট প্ৰডাক্টটো ইন্ট্ৰডিউচ কৰিব পাৰিম let us go to the next question number 14 if either vector a bar is equal to 0 vector or b bar is equal to 0 vector then a bar dot b bar is equal to 0 but the converse need not be true justify your answer with an example so here what is given if any one of the two vector is 0 then obviously their dot product will be 0 that is known to you but the question is that the converse is not true converse not true means what dot product 0 does not mean that both the vector any one of them is equal to 0 তাৰমানে ডট প্ৰডাক্ট 0 হ'লে যে দুইটা ভেক্টৰৰ কোনোবা এটা 0 হ'ব লাগিব তেনেকুৱা কোনো কথা নাই সেইটো আমি এটা এক্সাম্পল দিব লাগে আমি তো এটো কথা জানোৱে ডট প্ৰডাক্ট 0 হ'লে ভেক্টৰটো কি হ'ব পাৰে পাৰপেন্ডিকুলাৰো হ'ব পাৰে হয়নে সেই কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিম এতিয়া আমি এটা এক্সাম্পল দিলম কি এক্সাম্পল দিলো প্ৰথমতে এখিনি দিয়া আছে if a bar 0 b bar 0 then this is 0 but the converse is not true we consider two vector a bar and b bar in such a way that their dot product is 0 গতিকে মই কি কৰিলো এবাৰ মানে এবাৰ i cap plus j cap লিখিলো কম্পোনেন্টত লিখিলো সহজ হ'ব আমি নন জিৰো ভেক্টৰ b bar is i cap minus j cap নন জিৰো ভেক্টৰ হয়নে এই ডট প্ৰডাক্ট কৰি দিয়াচোন কি হ'ব a bar dot b bar is equal to this dot this so dot productৰ ফৰ্মুলা মতে কি হ'ব এটো তুমি পাই গলা 1 into 1 বা i cap square j cap square কৰিব পাৰো মই হেতু কৰি দিছো ইয়াতে বা তুমি i cap j cap ৰ যদি কম্পোনেন্ট ফৰ্মৰ যদি তুমি ডট প্ৰডাক্ট ইউজ কৰা তেতিয়াও একে আনসাৰে পাবা so ultimately we got it 0 হ'ব তাৰ মানে আমি গম পালো যে ডট প্ৰডাক্ট যিকোনো এটা ভেক্টৰ 0 হলে ডট প্ৰডাক্ট 0 হ'বই কিন্তু ডট প্ৰডাক্ট 0 হলে এনেকুৱা কথা নাই যে কোনোবা এটা 0 হ'ব লাগে হতি পাৰপেন্ডিকুলাৰ হ'ব পাৰে সেইকাৰণে মই পাৰপেন্ডিকুলাৰ হোৱাকে ভেক্টৰটো ধৰি ললো ঠিক আছে now let us go to the question number 15 if the vertices abc of a triangle abc are 1 2 3 -1 0 0 0 2 0 1 2 respectively then find the angle ABC and what is angle ABC is the angle between the vector BA and BC আমি triangle to draw কৰিলে ন গমে পাই যাম প্ৰথমতে মই কি কৰিলো I have just drawn a triangle ABC is a triangle then here vertices are given so I have written the vertices then what is required to find angle ABC means this angle we have to get and you know this angle means it is the angle between the vector BA and BC it is given provided in the question but in exam generally this is not given এখিনি তোমালকৰ এক্সামত দিয়া নাথাকে সাধাৰণতে ABC বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে তুমি এংগলটো নিজে উলিয়াব লাগিব so your angle is now ABC this angle you draw the figure you will understand it that is equal to what BA and BC so our aim is to get the angle between the vector BA and BC so what I have done first I have find out the value of BA and BC vector how to get it BA vector can be obtained one by position vector of A minus position vector of B. Let us get it. BA vector is position vector of the terminal point minus position vector of the initial point. Put the values directly. I have done the calculation. That is what? Here 1 minus 1. This is done I cap. J cap coefficient is 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 J cap. Here 3 minus 0 K cap. Do the calculation 2 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 3 minus 0 is 3 K cap. Similarly, we try to get the value of BC vector. So what is BC vector? BC can be obtained by position vector of the terminal point that is C minus position vector of the initial point which is equal to B. তুমি পিছৰটো পাগৰটো মাইনাস কৰি দিয়া তোটিকে মই ডাইৰেক্ট ক্যালকুলেশন কৰিছো 0 minus 1 this is I cap J cap or coefficient কিমান 1 minus 0 J cap and K cap coefficient 2 minus 0 K cap on calculation we got it plus 1 I cap plus 1 J cap plus 2 K cap. So we got the value of BA and BC. How to get the angle now? Cos of the angle we let us find out. Cos of the angle ABC is obtained by what? BA bar dot BC bar by magnitude of BA, magnitude of BC. So let us get it. BA dot BC by magnitude of BA, magnitude of BC. So BA dot BC মানে কি হ'ব তোমালকৰ coefficient of I caps product of sum of product of coefficient of I cap J cap K cap ওদিকে কি হ'ব 2 into 1 plus 2 into this one J cap coefficient plus 3 into K cap coefficient that is 2 সেইকাৰণে মই এটো লিখিলো after that what is magnitude hope you remember under root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square coefficient of x y I cap J cap K cap square প্ৰথমটো পালো BC vector what is BC vector coefficient of I cap is 1 so 1 square J cap is 1 again 1 square plus 2 square so 1 square 1 square 2 square and do the calculation 2 into 2 4 4 6 10 আৰু ইয়াতে কি হ'ব 8 plus 9 is 17 into 4 plus 1 is 6 do the calculation that is cos 10 divided by 112 and 10 this cos of this one, but I need the angle, so angle is what equal to what? This is not the standard value, that's why cos inverse of 10 by 102. This is your answer. Hope you understand it. Let us go to the next question number 16. Show that the points this A 127, B 263 and C 3 10 minus 1 are collinear. So collinear hole ami ki kobo paru, parallel with a common point can be considered as collinear. Ba enekeo kobo paru, if the sum of two vector is equal to the third vector, then also we can say that they are collinear. So iate moi ki korisu, yes, sum of the magnitude of two vector is equal to third dekhai disu. Karon tumi swa, এটো যদি A পইণ্ট হয়, B পইণ্ট হয়, C পইণ্ট হয়, তোমালোকে দেখিবা এটা লাইনত আছে। সো তোমালোকে দুটাৰ যদি ম্যাগনিটিউড জড কৰা, obviously থাৰ্ডটো যদি পয়, it means what? The points are collinear. Okay, so I have considered what? I have just find out the value of AB vector. AB vector can be obtained by using position vector of B minus position vector of A. Directly we have done the subtraction. 2 minus 1 I cap plus 6 minus 2 J cap plus 3 minus 7 K cap. On doing calculation, we got it I cap, and this is 6 minus 2 is 4 J cap minus 7 K cap. This I have just used the definition. Okay, so you try to remember the properties of dot product. You can easily do all the problems. Okay, so everywhere I have used the properties. Then BC vector. BC means position vector of C minus position vector of B. You see here, C minus B. Remember, 3 minus 2, so 3 minus 2 I cap, 10 minus 6 J cap, minus 1 minus 3 K cap, that is 1 I cap, 10 minus 6 4 J cap minus 4 K cap. Okay, then let us get CA. Then CA value is equal to what? Position vector of A minus position vector of C, which is 1 minus 3 I cap, 2 minus 10 J cap, 7 minus minus 1 K cap, that is equal to minus 2 I cap minus 8 and plus 8 K cap. Now we want to get the magnitude. So magnitude of A square is equal to what? The sum of squares of coefficient of I cap, J cap, K cap, which is what? 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square. So here I have written directly the calculation. 1 square is 1, 4 square 16 minus 4 square 16, which is equal to 16 plus 16 32 plus 1 33. Similarly BC vector. BC bar is what? 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square, again same 33. CA is minus 2 square, which is 4, minus h square 64, minus h square 64, plus h square 64, which is equal to 132. 132 I have simplified like this, and from 2 2's, 1 2 will come out, and under root 33. So here we have seen when I add the magnitude of AB and BC, I got what? CA. That's why I have written here magnitude of AB plus magnitude of BC is equal to magnitude of AC. Because of that, the points are collinear. Okay, collinear to tumalke bahut dhorone koribo para. It's depend on you. Keneke korisa tumalke nijor pora koribo pariba. Ha, beleg method ami beleg partot kori goi asu sai leba. Okay, next what I am going to do, you see the next question number 17 is show that the vector 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap, I cap minus 3 j cap minus 5 k cap, and 3 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 4 k cap form the vertices of a right angle triangle. So here you have to show that this will form a right angle triangle. Okay, you have to just wrap this line, huh? So right angle triangle means what? I have just considered the vertices like this ABC. We don't know which angle is right angle, but I have just drawn a triangle. Then right angle means we know that we say a triangle is right angle when it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. That means magnitude of the square of the hypotenuse, that means one of the side, is equal to sum of squares of magnitude of other two sides. I have to find out the vectors A, B, B, C and AC. We have find out as earlier AB, these are the vectors. Show that the vectors this and these are the vertices of the right angle triangle. These are vertices given directly. The position vectors are not given in coordinate form. It is given in the I cap, J cap, K cap sum form, right? তো আসলতে আমি এটা পজিশন ভেক্টৰ বুজাইছে গতিকে বি এ ভেক্টৰ উলিয়াই ললো এবি ভেক্টৰ মানে পজিশন ভেক্টৰ অফ বি মাইনাস পজিশন ভেক্টৰ অফ এ which is what 1 minus 2 I cap বা ডাইৰেক্টলি তুমি এটু পাই টু মাইনাস লিখা ক্যালকুলেশন you can do your own way 1 minus 2 আৰু এতে হ'ব প্লাস 3 minus 3 minus 1 plus minus 5 minus 1. This is done. So minus 1 I cap minus 2 j cap 6 k cap. Similarly we have calculated BC bar. What is BC bar? Position vector of C minus position vector of B, which is 3 minus 1 I cap plus minus 4 minus 3 j cap plus minus 4 minus 5k cap, which is on doing calculation 2I cap minus this is plus 3, so minus j cap, and this plus 1 minus 4 is plus 5 minus 4 is minus plus 1 k cap. BC is obtained. Now let us get AC. So AC or CA I have done here. So AC, CA, same thing. So CA vector also we have calculated like the previous one. Now, before showing that it is a right angle triangle, I just want to show that this is a triangle. So triangle hole ki hobo lagibo, sum of squares of sum of the two vector is equal to the third hobo lage. So ami sai pele dekhilu je konuta vector add korile third to pam soa. Yate tumalke minus 1 yate 2 paisa, minus 1 yate 2 eta sale hoi jabo, aru yatu ase tumalukor minus 1. Tamane prothom to aru pisor last to jodi add kora major to power chance ase, direction to ulta hobo minus to na pam, he karone moi CA aru AB add korisu. CA plus AB koribo loga hol karon moi yare end point to yar terminal point, AB plus CA koribo digdar hobo karon kyo AB bit he hoise b pa to start hwa nai, he karone moi CA plus AB korilu. CA plus AB kori ami calculation to palu, yate etue hol tumalkor minus BC, ultai dire pai golu CB. Tamen tumalke dekhilu je ABC is a triangle, vertices of a triangle pai golu. Poar pisot moi te ki korilu, o yate moi Pythagoras use kori kora nai, sutike korisu. Dot product of 2 0 holo to hoi jay, hoine Pythagoras use kori koribo pariba. So BC dot CA korisu. Etu moi bisari sabo lagibo kunta product korile 0 hoy. So I have seen here that BC dot CA gives you 0. That's it, BC is perpendicular to CA. I mean A2 hole tumalkor correct diagram. So we have concluded here that ABC is a right angled triangle. So one more question of this exercise is left. Let us do it. Question number 18. If A bar is a non-zero vector of magnitude A and lambda is a non-zero scalar, then lambda A bar is a unit vector under what condition? So lambda A bar is a unit vector, and lambda A bar is said to be an unit vector if the magnitude of lambda A bar is equal to 1. So I have just calculated what is the magnitude of lambda A bar. Lambda A bar can be written as modulus lambda A bar is equal to modulus lambda modulus A bar, or which can be written as modulus lambda A. And here A just substituted, I have just substituted values. Here one, if lambda is 1, it will give you A, so not possible. Lambda minus 1 minus A, not obtaining 1. Lambda bahale ki paba, lambda square not 1, so 1 by lambda bahale ami 1 pai jam. That's why, or from here also we can calculate that this is 1 hobo lage, hole ami palu A is equal to 1 by modulus of lambda. Okay, so you can do it your own way. It's a multiple choice question, so our answer is 1 by modulus of lambda. So here this exercise is completed. Next class I will start cross product of two vectors. Thank you.